Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XTNT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This is the 3rd day in a row I've done this analysis, so did it yesterday, and that's where the red line is coming from. And I want to use the word update, but update's probably not the right word. More so confirmation would be an accurate term. And the first bit of confirmation, and we'll mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, is in regards to this red line here at 54 cents, which I've been talking about as the level of resistance. And talk about being just a thorn in the side of the chart. As far as getting a true break having 2 parts. First part being the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain part or a certain level. But then the second part being the price has got to be able to maintain above it. So here you can see part 1 accomplished. And then this morning, part 1 accomplished. But as far as part 2 is concerned and maintaining above the break, you can see in both situations, the bulls were not able to do that and the price pulled back. So, and then a couple other times, just flat out, this 54-cent level has just rejected the price, right in its face. Didn't even hide the fact or anything like that. So 54 cents certainly confirmed is a level of resistance. Don't get me wrong. Not saying it's impossible to ever get a true break. Just saying that for whatever reason, this level is certainly, currently being a thorn in the side of the bulls. And then on the flip side of things, the other level that's been confirmed is this pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. I've been talking about that again, and you can see today, price technically, I guess, didn't even go down there and test it, but good to see that, as it stands right now, the bulls are working on building a higher base and taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things. That's what it's all about, building higher bases, because again, from big picture perspective, as long as the price is building higher bases over longer periods of time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So 54 cents remains public enemy number 1. We'll see if the bulls can potentially fight through it tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.